Please subscribe to Mr. Tech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Hey guys, I am here for Mr. Tech. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix all type of WhatsApp error in your Android smartphone. In this video we will learn this. So for example, if you are facing WhatsApp error, WhatsApp is not responding, or WhatsApp unfortunately WhatsApp has stopped, or download failed, if you are facing any issue with your WhatsApp audio, voice calling or video calling, so how etc. So how to fix this all type of issue in this video I am going to show you. So guys, let's get started. So before I will start, I want to tell, so guys, if your internet connection is not so good, you can face any type of error on your WhatsApp messenger. So first of all guys, check your internet connection is coming good or bad. After, in case your internet connection is good, afterwards you are facing any type of WhatsApp error, you can solve the WhatsApp error through this easy and simple step. So let's get started. So first of all, you have till now you have not updated WhatsApp messenger, so please open Google Play Store and update your WhatsApp. So after updating, go to your phone settings. In the phone settings, tap on data usage, and here find out WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp application is showing here, you can see WhatsApp is here, just tap on it, and here you want to uncheck this option, restrict background data. So after doing this, go back and open application manager or apps, just tap on it, and here go to all apps, and here after coming in all apps, press home side left button, navigation button like this, press reset app preferences and press reset apps. This means this feature will help you to clear the all application caches at a time at once. After doing this, scroll down and find out your WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp is here, just tap on it, and here you want to clear the caches and the data of your WhatsApp application. So remember guys, if you are clearing the WhatsApp application data, your WhatsApp account was totally removed. You want to re-enter it once again, so do it on your own risk. So after doing this, click on force stop. So after doing these steps, restart your device. After restarting, 100% your issue was now solved. So guys, through this step you can solve any type of issue, error you are facing with your WhatsApp messenger. You can solve this through this step. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have not subscribed Mr. Tech, so please guys subscribe Mr. Tech for daily and amazing video. If you have any doubt related to this video, you can clear your doubts in the comment section below.